Oh, yeah. I tried to build a ladder with the kindness in my heart. I tried to mend the pieces, but I didn't know where to start. I kept a tally of the good and a ledger of the right, but I was only painting shadows in the middle of the night. For the weight of all my striving couldn't wash away the stain, and the higher that I climbed, the more I felt the pain. It's not by my hand, it's by His scars. It's not my light, but the morning star. I'm born again, washed in the flow, whiter than the winter snow. Good works are the fruit, but grace is the vine. I'm no longer mine, Lord, I am thine. Saved by the mercy, saved by the mercy, kept by the love, born from the Spirit, sent from above. Oh, the old man is buried, left beneath the tide. There's a brand new spirit living deep inside. It wasn't my charity that opened up the door. It wasn't my silver that settled up the score. Now I walk the narrow road, not to earn a crown, but because He lifted me when I was casting down. Is it your work? No, it's His grace. Is it your strength? He took my place. Why do you serve? Because I'm free. Why do you follow? Oh, He died for me. I'm a disciple now, a student of the Word, the greatest story that I've ever heard. It's not by my hand.